Hi friends, welcome back. Today we are going to solve LintCode problem 471 top k frequent words. So this is a medium complexity problem. Um, I often create Leetcode and LintCode coding solution videos as well as Java J2E related helpful videos for helping the interviews. Please check out my playlist on my channel and subscribe to my channel. My channel has a playlist for a lot of coding solutions as well as theoretical interview questions like telephonic as well as screening, like initial screening interview questions listed on my channel. Please go through them. Those are like frequently asked questions that will definitely help you if you are preparing for job interviews. So please check them out. So let's look at this problem statement. Given a list of words and an integer k, return top k frequent words in the list. You should order the words by the frequency of them in the written list. The most frequent one comes first. If two words has same frequency, the one with lower alphabetical order comes first. So we have been given a list of words and we have to find out the most frequently occurring words in this list, right? And they have given us conditions where if the words have same frequency, then they should go with alphabetical order, right? So let's take one example over here to so I can explain you how we are going to solve this problem. We are going to solve this problem with the help of HashMap and priority queue. If you are a Java developer, you will definitely be aware of HashMap and priority queue. So let's look at the what first we will do is we will go through this list of words and we will prepare a hash map of word and its frequency, right? So let's just go one by one. So yes, so we will just put one frequency here. Lint is one, code is one. Yes is now we will update 1 to 2 because this is occurring second time here. Now code is again we will appear like make it 2 because it's second now. Now baby is appearing once here, and you is appearing once here, and baby is again appearing, so we'll just make it 2 here now. And then lint is appearing and code is appearing, so lint we will make 2 now here, and again code is appearing, so code we will make 3. As you can see, the frequency wise code is most frequent word, right? Its frequency is 3. What we will do after we have prepared the hash map is we have like I'll just show you my code also at the same time when we are discussing the solution. So we will be we implemented a word frequency class. It has a word and count, right? So we will create word frequency objects and we will put those objects in a priority queue now, right? So let's just go ahead and let's just put the objects in priority queue. uh, okay, so let's just go one by one. So let's just consider that this is a priority queue that we have, right? And we will just create the objects and put it here. So as you can see, so first object in the priority queue, whatever we objects put, priority queue always will put the max. We will implement a comparator in this way. So our priority queue, let me show you this. So it has a comparator here. Now our priority queue is holding word frequency, right? The word frequency that I just showed you here. And we are comparing a and b objects such that a dot count is equal to b dot count, means both frequency if they are same, then we are going to go with the alphabetical order, right? That's what we are doing here. Otherwise we will go with the maximum frequency first. So that's how we have created priority queue. So we will just like as you can see here, so first our code word will be there, right? Code word is there and its priority its frequency is 3, so it will appear first. Then after that uh, baby, lint and yes all has a 2 frequency. So the baby will go first actually, right? In that case let's just Yeah, so baby is appearing alphabetically first, so baby will go first. So let's just create a baby object here. It has frequency 2, and after that lint will go because alphabetical order, right? So lint is again has a same frequency 2, so lint will be there, and after that yes will be there, right? Yes is because we are going alphabetically because these three words has the same frequency, and at the end you will see u, right? U has only one frequency, so you will go at the end with one frequency. So this is how our priority queue will look like. So this is our priority queue, right? PQ, and this is our front direction. So this is where we will remove the element, and this is our rear end. So whenever we poll in the priority queue, first element we will get it's this code, right? So once we have populated priority queue, we will what we will do, we will poll elements k times. That's what they want, right? Only first k element. So as you can see, once when we poll the first element, we will get code. When we do the again poll the second one, then we will get baby. So we have to just return code and baby in this case. So that is what uh, the approach is to solve the problem. So first we will I'll just go through the code quickly now. I already explained in detail. So this is the hash map of string and integer, word and frequency, and we are going to go through the array of words, and we are going to populate the hash map with the frequency, right? So this is the word and this will be the frequency. So initially it will be 0, and we will keep incrementing the frequency by using get or default method, right? And after that we have defined our priority queue of word frequency, and I already explained you how the comparator is defined here, right? So if both counts are same for both words, then we will go with the alphabetical order here. That's what we are doing. Or if the counts are not same, we will go with the maximum count first, right, in the priority queue. And after that we will just use maps key set method, and we will just create word frequency objects here, right, with the word and its frequency by using map.getKey. And we are offering all those objects into our priority queue. Offer means we will be adding those objects into priority queue, and priority queue will make sure that the objects will be in the order that is defined in this comparator, right? So after that is done, then what we are going to do, we just created a string array of the same size of k, and we are going to poll the elements here, right? K times we are going to do that, and we are going to form our result array, and we are just returning our result array. So this is the one that example. Let's just take the example that they have given us here. So let's just take this example, and then just to make sure, and k is equal to 3 in this case. So let's run this example quickly. uh, oh, actually we have to format the input, right? We cannot put input like this, so we have to format the input because it should be on the one line only, I think. So let's just format it quickly. Okay, so now it should work. Yeah, so now as you can see, we are getting correct result, right? Code lint and baby, code lint and baby. In this case, code appear maximum times 1, 2, 3 and 4, right? So code came first, lint appear 3 times, I think. Here 1, then here 2 and here 3. So lint came second, and baby appeared 2 times, I think. 1 here and 1 here, right? So only 2 times baby appear. So that's how we are actually retrieving the words based on their frequency. So maximum frequency is coming first. So we'll just submit our code now. So our code got accepted with a 73% faster submission rate, so which is pretty decent. So this is how you can solve this problem of finding top k frequent elements with the help of priority queue and hash map. So hash map, we are just putting the words, right? So basically it's just order of one, and when we are the space wise, it is just order of n, when order of n, right? The length, where n is the length of words, right? If there are n words, we can say that space complexity will be on in this case. And for the offer as well as for the poll, the time complexity for the priority queue is order of log n. So this solution is kind of, you can say, k log n, right? So that's what they want. So I think that that's how you can solve top k frequent words with the help of priority queue. Practice some examples with priority queue and hash map. Then you will get good hold of how to write the comparators. This writing comparator is very important in case of priority queue, because this is how the comparator defines how the ordering will work inside the priority queue, right? And that ordering is very important when we are polling out the elements later, right? So take a look at my playlist. I have a lot of LeetCode and LintCode solutions already discussed with examples in Java, as well as there are interview related lot of videos that discusses conceptual videos like DFS, BFS videos, as well as dynamic programming, different data structures of Java, as well as the most frequently asked telephonic interview questions. So check it out, and that will be helpful if you are practicing and or giving interviews. Also, please subscribe to the channel. The subscription to the channel will really help the channel to reach out to more people like you. So please do subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching the video.